how the heck does your pricing work? This week on Illuminating Supered, we're going over the pricing structure and what is included at each level. Let's go. Starting with the base. We love the Super Base so much, and we know that you will too, that we will actually give it away free to all of your users. That's right. Each company plan has unlimited free users that can access and search the Super Base, where you are going to put your company's specific documentation. We love the Super Base, don't get me wrong, but we have built out a ton of additional functionality for our product. And how do you access that functionality? Via a Supered seat. Now, starting with our starter, that is our lowest tier paid pricing, where you actually get up to 5 user licenses for free. That's right. 5 for free to test the waters and see how it's going to work for you and your company. In those user seats, they have access to 5 process rules and limited embedded triggers. What's living in your Supered base can now actually be embedded in any phrase in HubSpot. But I guarantee you, once you have 1, 2, 3, 5 process rules, you're going to want more, which is where you're going to bump up to scale. Scale is $10 per user per month. And in that, you get everything in starter plus 15 process rules, rich content in your process rules, which means you can now embed video trainings directly on that object, or your Google Docs or Lucid charts or whatever directly on a custom object or a native HubSpot object. Not only that, but you can actually do page-specific card triggers, which we'll go over, limited triggers for your Supered base. That's right, your Supered base doesn't just have to live in HubSpot. It can live across any URL that you have access to. Now, if 15 process rules is not enough, you're going to go over to the big kahuna. That's right, Pro, where you have unlimited process rules. So guess what? We're going to deck out your HubSpot with process rules. Deck the HubSpot with process rules. Fa la 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 la. And soon to come, team-specific cards and team-specific rules. Are you having multiple teams work on one HubSpot object? Probably. Now you can have it that your sales team sees one set of rules and that your customer success sees another. Let's go. Any questions? Drop them below.